Hi Psyche Truth fam, my name is Sinah and welcome to today's beginner-friendly upper body Yogalates workout. Today's workout is going to help you improve your overall posture and upper body strength. So when you're ready, grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright, we're going to get started in a comfortable seated position. Once you arrive at this position, let's just take a deep breath in, sending your arms high to the sky. And on your exhale, bring them down to your heart center. I want for you to place one palm over your heart and the other on top of it, and just close your eyes. Let's take another deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath at the top, and imagine a colorful cloud. Whatever that color is in your cloud. As you exhale, allow that color to wash over your entire face, your jaw, your neck. Let's take another deep breath in, empowering that cloud and allowing that color to wash over your shoulders, your upper back, your chest, your belly, your lower back. Deep breath in, allowing that cloud to wash over your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms, and every single finger. Deep breath in, allowing that cloud to grow even further, and that color in that cloud to wash over your hips, your glutes, your quads and thighs, your knees, your shins, your calves. Deep breath in, allowing that color in your cloud to wash over your ankles, heels, the arches of your feet, and every single toe. One more breath, bringing that color to your mind, focusing on that color, and allowing that color to expand and radiate to every single part of your body as you exhale. Once you come to the bottom of your exhale, simply return to your natural breath, placing a warm smile on your face and opening your eyes. Wonderful job. We're going to start with a few spinal twists just to warm up the upper body. Take a deep breath in, sending your arms high to the sky. And on your exhale, you're going to place the outer part of your left hand on the outer part of your right knee and your right hand directly behind your back. Inhale as you lengthen your spine high to the sky. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you twist. A little bit more. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale, can you twist further? Hold that twist for a deep breath in, and then exhale, return to neutral. Wonderful job. Start noticing how limber your spine is right now. Maybe you move it from side to side, and then come back to neutral. Inhale, send your arms high to the sky, and now the opposite side. Placing your left hand directly behind your spine. Inhale as you twist. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you twist. One more. Inhale as you lengthen. Can you twist further? Now hold that twist for a deep breath in. And on your exhale, return to neutral. Wonderful job. Just sway your spine forward and back, coming into some circles in your upper body. Noticing how lumbar it is. Noticing how loose your spine is in comparison to the beginning of today's class. Let's just reverse those circles for 3. For 2. Nice job. Last one. Excellent job. We're going to go ahead and come directly into a downward facing dog. So send your hips high to the sky. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, surrender into your mat. Start by walking your feet all the way up to meet your hands.
Inhale, coming into a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, swan dive your arms high to the sky. Give yourself a back bend. Exhale, swan dive back down. Inhale, coming into halfway lift. Exhale, press both of your hands on your mat. Send that right foot back. Then the left. Chaturanga down. Inhale, pushing yourself into an upward facing dog. Exhale, coming back down. Inhale, send your left foot to the outside of your right leg as you push yourself up into a twisted upward facing dog. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, coming into a slight cobra. Now bring your right hand below your left. Just rest it on your mat. And you're gonna shift your entire weight of your upper body onto your left hand. And we're gonna pulse for 10, 9, you got this. I know this is kind of an awkward stance, but it really allows us to separate this muscle from our entire upper body to just focus on our biceps and triceps from our left hand. So micro pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, yes you can, last one. Excellent job. Come back into a regular laying down on your floor. Inhale, push yourself to upward facing dog. Exhale, send your hips high to the sky. Coming into a downward facing dog. Deep breath in through your nose as you lengthen through your spine. Exhale, surrender onto your mat. Start walking your feet to meet your hands. And then slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, rolling yourself all the way up. Once you make yourself all the way up, go ahead and come to the center of your mat. Inhale, open your arms and bring them high to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. From this position, we're just going to go ahead and lift our palms of our hands to the same height of your head. Right here. And then we're going to close our forearms together and we're going to pulse to the ceiling. Come with me. Yep. Up and down. Excellent job. They're just going up and down like an elevator, trying not to move any other part of our body, simply our forearms, coming up and down. Can you give me 10 more? 8, for 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your arms to the side and release. Excellent job. Now we're going to go ahead and come to the top of our mat on our left side. Inhale, send your arms high to the sky. Micro back bend. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, coming into halfway lift. Exhale, place both of your hands on your mat. Step that left foot back. Then your right. Chaturanga down. Inhale, press up to upward facing dog. Exhale, come back down to your mat. Inhale, bring your right foot to the outside of your left leg, coming into a twisted upward facing dog. Exhale, back down. Coming into a cobra, extend your left arm below your right. Shift your weight to your right hand and pulse with me for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Can you pulse even lower to make them micro pulses? For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring both of your hands back to your mat. Inhale, press yourself up into an upward facing dog. Exhale, sending your hips high to the sky into a downward facing dog. Start walking your feet in to meet your hands. And then dangle heavy from side to side. And slowly start rolling yourself all the way up to the sky.
Inhale, send your arms heavy, high to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Coming back to the middle of your mat. Let's repeat those forearm pulses. Inhale, open your arms wide. Bring them in front of you. Bend at the elbows. Your forearms are joined. The palms of your hands are joined. And we pulse for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Micro pulses. Here we go. You're just pulsing to the ceiling. Imagine like you're trying to poke a hole through your roof. Keep pulsing. You got this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, you can. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Open your arms wide above you. Exhale, release. Wonderful job. We're going to go ahead and come back down into a comfortable seating position. Once you arrive at this position, let's go ahead and take a deep breath in, sending your arms high to the sky. Exhale, bring them down, one palm over your heart and the other on top of your heart. And we're going to end today's practice just like we started it. So go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling yourself up. Now picturing a cloud in your brain and focusing on whatever that cloud's color is. Exhale, let go. Keeping that color in your mind. As we take a deep breath in, we're going to focus on spreading that cloud from our toes all the way up to our head. So that colorful cloud is coloring our toes, the arches of our feet, our heels. Continue breathing in as that cloud colors in your shins, your calves, your knees and every joint in your knee, your quad, your thigh. Continue taking that deep breath in as that color colors in your hips, your glutes, any root chakra. Continue breathing in, allowing that cloud to color in your lower belly, your lower back, your ribs, your spine. Breathing in, allowing that cloud to color in your chest, in your back, both of your shoulders. Continue breathing in, allowing that cloud to color your arms, down your elbows, your forearms, your wrists. Continue tuning into that breath as that color of that cloud colors in the palms of your hands and every single finger down to your nail. Continue breathing in as that color colors in your throat and your neck, your jaw. Continue breathing in as that color colors in your cheeks, your nose, every single part of your face, and finally, your beautiful mind. Tuning back to your regular breath. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Finding some stillness in your mind, your body, your soul. Gently putting a warm smile on your face and opening your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I will see you next time. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sinah for further movement and mindfulness classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.